Hey everyone, welcome back to Lena Jones. If you're feeling stiff or want to improve your flexibility, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 10 simple yet powerful stretches that you can do every day to keep your body loose, pain-free, and mobile. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, these stretches will help you feel amazing. Let's get started. 1. Standing forward bend. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly fold forward from your hips, not your back. Let gravity do the work. Try to touch your toes, but don't force it. If you can't reach, that's totally okay. Bend your knees slightly and just relax into it. Now, a quick tip: avoid rounding your spine too much. Instead, think about lengthening your torso. And if you want a deeper stretch, gently shift your weight forward into the balls of your feet. Hold this for about 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. 2. Cat-cow stretch. Start on all fours with your wrists directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Now, let's flow. Inhale, drop your belly towards the mat, lift your chest, and gaze up. Feel that nice stretch through your spine and core, like a happy, relaxed cow. Now, exhale and round your spine towards the ceiling, tucking your chin to your chest. This is your cat pose. Imagine a Halloween cat arching its back. The key here is to move slowly with your breath. Inhale, open up. Exhale, round and tuck. Think of creating space between each vertebra, especially if you feel tightness in your lower back. Repeat this for about 30 seconds to a minute. 3. Seated butterfly stretch. Start by sitting tall with your back straight. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees drop outward, like butterfly wings. Keep your feet close to your body, but only as much as feels comfortable. Now, grab your feet or ankles and sit up nice and tall. If you already feel a stretch, stay right here and breathe deeply. If you want a little more, lean forward from your hips, not your back. Think about bringing your chest toward your feet instead of rounding your spine. Hold this stretch for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing deeply. 4. Standing quad stretch. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Now, shift your weight onto your left leg and grab your right ankle, pulling your heel towards your glutes. Keep your knees close together. Don't let your knee flare out to the side. Engage your core and find a focal point to help with balance. If you want a deeper stretch, gently push your hip forward while keeping your chest lifted. You should feel this in the front of your thigh. Try not to arch your lower back. Keep your spine neutral. If balancing is tricky, hold on to a wall or chair for support. Hold this stretch for 20 to 30 seconds per side. This helps improve flexibility, prevents knee pain, and is great for recovery after workouts. 5. Cobra stretch. Start by lying face down on your mat with your legs extended and hands placed under your shoulders. Keep your elbows tucked in close to your body. Now, press through your palms and slowly lift your chest, keeping your hips on the mat. Look slightly upward, but keep your neck relaxed. Only go as high as feels comfortable. Don't force it. If your lower back feels tight, stay in a baby cobra with your elbows bent. Make sure your shoulders stay relaxed. Don't let them scrunch up to your ears. Instead, pull them back and down to open your chest. Hold this for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. This stretch helps improve spinal flexibility, relieve lower back tension, and even energize your body. 6. Child's pose. Start by kneeling on the mat with your big toes touching and your knees either together or slightly apart, whichever feels more comfortable for you. Now, slowly sit your hips back towards your heels and extend your arms forward, reaching as far as you can. Rest your forehead on the mat and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, let your chest sink down and feel the stretch through your back, shoulders, and hips. This is your moment to fully relax. If your forehead doesn't touch the mat, no worries. You can place a pillow or block underneath for support. And if your hips don't reach your heels, just go as far as feels good for you. Hold this for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing deeply. 7. Shoulder stretch. Start by standing or sitting tall with your spine straight. Now, take your right arm and bring it across your chest. Use your left hand to gently pull your right arm closer to your chest, feeling a stretch through your shoulder. Make sure to keep your shoulder relaxed and down. Don't let it creep up to your ear. If you're not feeling the stretch, try pulling your arm a little closer or slightly adjusting the angle. Hold this stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. This helps improve flexibility, relieves tension, and is especially great if you carry stress in your shoulders. 8. Side stretch. Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart or sitting comfortably on the mat. Reach your right arm up towards the sky, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Now, slowly bend to your left, reaching over your head. Feel that deep stretch along your right side, from your fingertips all the way down to your hip. Engage your core slightly to support your spine, and make sure you're not collapsing forward. Keep your chest open. Hold this stretch for 20 to 30 seconds while breathing deeply. This is great for relieving tightness in the waist, improving posture, and increasing flexibility in the spine. 9. Hip flexor stretch. Start in a kneeling position with your right foot in front of you, knee bent at 90 degrees. Now, step your left foot back and lower your left knee to the mat. Make sure your right knee stays directly over your ankle. Now, gently push your hips forward, feeling the stretch in the front of your left hip and thigh. Keep your torso upright and engage your glutes to avoid arching your lower back. If you want more, you can raise your left arm overhead and lean slightly to the right for a deeper stretch along your hip flexors and side body. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute on each side. 10. Calf stretch. Start by standing facing a wall or sturdy object. Place your hands on the wall and step one foot back, keeping both heels grounded. Make sure both feet are pointing straight ahead and bend your front knee slightly. Now, press your back heel into the floor while keeping your back leg straight. You should feel a stretch through the calf of your extended leg. For a deeper stretch, gently bend your front knee while keeping your back leg straight and continue pressing the back heel down. This targets both the soleus and the gastrocnemius muscles in your calves. Hold this stretch for 20 to 30 seconds on each leg. That's it for today. If you found these stretches helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Which stretch was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you're looking for more ways to improve flexibility, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.